Maggie Magee and the Giant Sneeze, written and illustrated by Jenny Wood. In a place called Snozfield was a house carefully built from mud and sticks and stones. It had a pointy roof and a big, tall chimney made from old, smelly garden pots. Papa Smith wore blue overalls that didn't reach his ankles and big black glasses. His hairy moustache twitched when he was very cross. He was always losing things, and Mama Smith had to help him look for them. On Monday, Papa Smith wiggled and squirmed and twitched his hairy moustache and said,
"Mama Smith, where has the key to my red tractor gone?"
Mama Smith ran hither and thither and looked in the fridge, but there was only cheese that made her sneeze. On Tuesday, Papa Smith wiggled and squirmed and twitched his hairy moustache and said,
"Mama Smith, where is the remote control for the television?"
Mama Smith tried and she pried. Then she looked in the flower pot, but there were only bees and they made her sneeze. On Wednesday, Papa Smith wiggled and squirmed and twitched his hairy moustache and said,
"Mama Smith, where are my scissors for cutting my hairy nose?"
Mama Smith thought and she sought. Then she looked in the cat's bed, but there were only peas and they made her sneeze. On Thursday, Papa Smith wiggled and squirmed and twitched his hairy moustache and said,
"Mama Smith, where has my feather gone for my hat?"
Mama Smith tried and she pried. Then she looked out the window, but there was only a breeze and that made her sneeze. On Friday, Papa Smith wiggled and squirmed and tried to twitch his hairy moustache and said,
"Mama Smith, where has my hairy moustache gone?"
Mama Smith sneaked, then she peeked into Papa Smith's ear, but there were only fleas that made her sneeze. On Saturday, Papa Smith heard a sound.
"Mama Smith, where is that sound coming from?"
Mama Smith wiggled and squirmed and tumbled and turned and climbed up a tree to see what could be. It was a new home, carefully built by Maggie Magee. Achoo! On Sunday, they rested.